Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver is continuously on the upside. Okay, it is moving in ascending order, but it is quite volatile. Okay, and a support coming at around $17.565. So you have to keep this in mind. Once the price comes close to around $18, probability is high, we can see it can touch this particular level. And other important thing is that this was the range where the price was staying for so long. So once it's to move upside, I have already explained you that it can move further upside. If you look at my previous video, I have already explained you. Okay. Now what you can see looking at this chart for the next 2 days, before we move forward and explain you, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link in the description, you can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are very high we can see it can move further upside towards a level of $23.870. And if that level move upside, then we can see it can go towards a level of $24.083. Okay, and once it sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can cross this particular zone and can go and touch a level of $24.264, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $24.289. And once the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can cross that particular zone, and a chances of touching 24.584 is there, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $24.732. Okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching 25.150 is there, and then further upside if the price sustain. Okay, but now look at this particular chart. There is a volatility we have seen. It is moving upside, but it is quite volatile. So suppose if your target or SL is there, what you have to do is you can reduce the quantity and increase the SL and targets. This is what one should be doing in the volatile market. Okay, so now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, chances are high that if this level breaks this particular trend, means if it crosses this particular line, then only we can see it can go further low. So the next support we can see coming at around $23.501, and if that level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $23.403. And if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $23.230. And once it fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go further low, and a probability of touching 22.984 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards its next support of 22.812. And once the price fall below that particular level, chances of touching a level of 22.566 is there, and from there we can see a level of $22.270. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can cross a level of 22.270 and can touch a level of $22. Once the price fall below this level, then we can see it can come again in this particular zone, because a trend line will break and a probability of coming down is on a higher side. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I give in the mail IDs in the description. Now understand something, for investing, that's a different thing. You can invest for 5, 10, 20 years. That's a different thing. Okay, but if you're trading, you have to be careful, because most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, suppose if you're trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, a risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Suppose if you took 5 trades, now maximum loss is $500, 100 per trade. Okay, suppose if you lose all 5 trades, maximum loss is $500. Then you can relax for the day. Okay, because other day you will not be in a pressure to recover this $500. Okay, otherwise what people do, they lose so much money, 5,000, 3,000, and then they try to recover it, and then they lose their full capital. This is what they do. What I teach in my workshop, how to overcome all these things, how to strategize, when to enter, when to exit, when to sit patiently and all. Okay, so this is what I do. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.